Hello, and today I got this. This is a off-road skateboard setup that I have. It has massive wheels on it, and it has huge spacers. And I believe this board I'm using is like a 9.5 or a 9.25 or somewhere around there. Here's a normal wheel. This is a 54mm wheel compared to whatever this size is, which is probably over 100. Doesn't say, but it's a huge wheel. I just thought it'd be fun to kind of test this thing out, down this little grass slope here, so I'll do that. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. It's so heavy too, like it's ridiculous. Yeah, it's also so heavy. Well, I would not recommend trying to flat ground skateboard. This is a wrap up. Thank you for watching, and let me know what kind of videos you would like to see in the future.